Will I need a physical in order to obtain life insurance coverage? I've lost weight. I've gained weight. I'm in less than perfect physical condition. I had cancer 5 years ago. In this video, we will discuss when it's more likely for an applicant to be required to submit to a physical exam. Hi, I'm Bonita, founder of Keystar Insurance. For the best insurance advice, subscribe to my YouTube channel and I'll teach you all about life. There's a lot of factors that go into determining whether an individual will be required to submit a physical exam or not. Number one, age. The leading cause of death from birth to, say, 30 to 35 years old is accidental. Therefore, individuals within this age range are less likely to be required to submit to a physical exam. Number two, medical history. Regardless of age, individuals with pre-existing conditions are more likely to be required to submit to a physical exam. The purpose of the physical exam is to help the underwriter determine the severity of the person's ailment, which would better equip them to be able to deny coverage, accept coverage, and determine under what terms coverage can be accepted, if that is in fact the case. However, physical exam is not the only source that insurance companies use to determine what a person's true physical condition is. Another such source is the Medical Information Bureau, also known as the MIB. The MIB is a database that stores an individual's prescribed medications within a certain amount of time. If an individual had cancer, organ transplant, diabetes, high blood pressure, then they would have more than likely been prescribed medications for those ailments, and the underwriter would be able to see these medications and determine, it gives them a pretty good indication as to the severity of their ailment, and they can, again, make the decision as to whether they want to deny the application or offer coverage. Another source is the physician's statement. Some companies just will get authorization from the applicant to receive a statement from the doctor as to the condition of the individual. Number three, face amount. The higher the face amount, as in, for example, in infinite banking, the higher the face amount, the more likely it is that a physical exam will be required. Think about it. If someone approached you to borrow $5, how likely are you to verify that that individual has a job on a scale of 1 to 10? I have to say a 2. On the other end, that same individual approached you and asked to borrow $5,000 to $10,000. How likely are you to validate their employment? I say 10. I need my money back. Did your number change? Okay, well, in the same fashion, the insurance company wants to ensure that they're investing in good stock, so to speak, when they take on an insurance client, and that they are charging appropriately. But not to worry, if you are required to have a physical exam, it will be free. In this case, it will be called a paramed. The examiner will meet you wherever you like. They can meet you at your home, your job, the local McDonald's, I often have the examiners to meet the clients here in my office. They come in, they may draw blood, take a urine sample, a blood pressure, and maybe a weight, weigh them. And that's it. It's painless. Takes about 20 minutes of your time. If you're in search of a life insurance policy and you could use help, apply to become my client. I'll help you find the perfect life.